Salut à tous, c'est Joey Gingras. Aujourd'hui, on va faire une vidéo sur GTA. On va vous présenter une vidéo. Salut. Bon. Pour cette vidéo, notre ma vidéo, mettez un maximum de likes. Je compte sur vous, puis mettez abonnez-vous si vous ne l'avez pas fait.
I just did a show and spent the check on my mama. When I go and vacay, I might run up the Bahamas. And I keep like 10 phones, damn, I'm really never home. All these niggas clones tryna copy what I'm on. Nigga, get your own, tryna pick a nigga bone. Where's the brother Skip, boy, I had a good day. Metro PCS, trapping bone, making plays. 50 shades of gray, beat that pussy like Hulk Hogan. I know you know my slogan, if it ain't about guap, I'm gone. Niggas hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete I had rolled. Shorty staring at my necklace cause my diamonds really froze. Put that dick up in her pussy, bet she feel it in her toes. I'm a real young nigga from the six.
Et donc aussi on n'est pas à la salle, là, ça peut
nigga from the six stone balls. Real young nigga from the six stone balls.
In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Whispered in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Say that I can hit that shit so greasily. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily. And no telling what.
Donc, allez vite, les amis. Bon, on va.
I'm beyond all the fuck shit. Hey, no telling what I'm beyond. Hey, said I'm beyond all the fuck shit.
Son truc à lui, c'est de faire le
I got
tour.
companies and pesos. I got people on my payroll. She don't do it unless I say so. I don't smoke if it ain't fuego. I should sauce them up like Prego fettuccine with Alfredo. All I wanted was the fame in every game they made on Sega. I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself, okay, you're special. But I treat
Lâchez
you
le
like my
maximum
equal.
de likes, je le répète
I
souvent,
was
mais
26 years old when we had dropped this one amazing record. Had the world stepping. That's what I call happy.
on va faire plusieurs
Years
vidéos.
later, I got paper. I acquired
Et c'est
taste for
ça,
salmon
et
on
ne
a
vous
bagel
inquiétez
with the
surtout
capers
pas.
on a square plate. At the
On va
restaurant
là,
with
il va
the
là.
why you gotta stand face
Donc,
to know I either ball
il va
or I
prendre
record
les
with a
jets.
stand bass rapper face
Donc,
dread had it golden diamond teeth wearing they just
mais moi,
mad
je pense
cause
que
I
là.
got that cheese bitch I keep daring turned up in the party
C'est dans les
getting lit
commentaires
the
si vous
yachting
n'aimez pas ce genre de vidéo.
with a
C'est là,
Spanish
c'est juste notre
Bobby
première vidéo.
word
On
to
vous
my
montre comment voler.
in the middle of the party bitch get off me
Mais surtout,
in
rentrez
the
pas
cut I'm
là-dedans.
rolling up my broccoli yeah I know your baby mama fond of me
Donc,
all she
c'était pour
wanna do is
comment
smoke that broccoli
on va voler un jet si vous êtes un avantage si vous êtes meilleur. Ben,
say that I can get that pussy easily say that I can hit that shit so greasily
et nous autres, on vous
I'm
dit
a
à tout à
dirty
l'heure.
dog I
Ciao.
did it sleazily
Joey Gingras.